This 14-minute Tai Chi Walking workout helps relieve neck and shoulder pain, burn belly fat, and improve balance. Gentle, low-impact movements help you feel more relaxed, lighter, and stronger. Just follow along and start moving today. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Uncross your arms and open them wide with a smooth, gentle motion. Let your chest expand naturally and keep your shoulders soft and relaxed. Exercise 2. Three, two, one, begin. Turn gently from side to side with your hands near your shoulders. Keep your upper body relaxed and let the rotation feel smooth and effortless. Next exercise. Three, two, one, let's begin. Extend your arms forward as you rotate gently through the torso. Let the movement flow from your center and keep your shoulders loose. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, join me. Bring your hands into a relaxed guard as you turn gently to the side. Keep your spine tall and let the movement stay calm and controlled. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Step into the movement as one palm presses forward and the other stays close in guard. Stay grounded and move with calm, steady control. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Move with me. Shift your weight to one side and reach naturally toward your leg. Move slowly through the stretch and keep your spine long and relaxed. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Open your arms to the sides, then draw your hands back toward your chest with gentle control. Breathe smoothly and keep the movement soft and centered. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Begin. Reach both hands overhead. Then sink gently into a stable horse stance. Stay grounded through your feet and move with calm, steady control. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Glide to the side as one arm reaches upward and the other extends downward. Move with ease and let your whole body stay relaxed and connected. Exercise 10. Three, two, one, join me. Keep your hands on your hips as you slowly tilt your head from side to side. Relax your neck and let the stretch feel easy and natural. Exercise 11. Three, two, one, follow along. Keep your arms extended overhead as you step lightly in place. Stay tall through your spine and let the stretch feel long and effortless. Great job completing today's Tai Chi Walking practice. Every session helps relieve tension, strengthen your body, and support better health. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take care, keep moving, and have a wonderful day.